India needs freelancers. One of our students recently worked with Ali Abdal himself. This is my child. I have not prioritized anything but this academy. Hello, this is Saheli, and this is your reminder that batch 2 for 2024 for Freelance 101 Academy has finally opened. If you've been waiting to learn directly from me and my team about becoming a high-income freelancer in 2024, be it in content, copy, marketing, website design, graphic design, no matter what kind of freelancing you do, if you provide a service and you want clients, Freelance 101 Academy is the place to be. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly everything that we are offering inside so that you can make a decision whether this is the right place for you or not. Basically, if you want to be a high-income freelancer in the next 90 days, this is the best program that you can join in India right now. Freelance 101 Academy was born when I got a lot of inquiries on how I hit my first lakh as a freelancer 4-5 years ago, and this is one of the biggest projects that I've ever worked on. We have worked with over thousands of students in the last few years. This year alone, at least 1200 students have joined us, and I am so excited to take you in and take you with me in the journey of becoming a high-income freelancer. Now, the first thing is, who is this program for? It is for anyone who wants to become a freelancer. If you're a beginner, if you are a medium level freelancer who knows freelancing but is unable to get clients, if you've made your first few bucks as a freelancer but you are not able to scale, this is the program for you. If you want to freelance full-time or part-time, this program is for you. But make sure that you have at least 1 to 2 hours per day to give to freelancing. My personal specialty is in marketing. However, we have freelancers across so many fields within Freelance 101 Academy that if you need help, we are there for you. And above all, this is for the freelancer who knows that they want to scale ASAP. I know that you can figure things out on your own, but I know that with my proven systems and my support and the mentors within the academy who themselves are at least making a lakh per month, you will get the best and the most elite company to actually scale to the numbers that you are looking for. Within Freelance 101 Academy, I have created step-by-step modules very strategically to make sure that you're not only able to identify the skill set that will pay you the most, but actually understand which social platforms will get you clients, how to pitch to high-paying clients, how to make a portfolio that's not just a basic portfolio but actually a high-income portfolio, how to network with millionaires and high-income earners so that you actually get their attention and leads from them, and to get clients not only in India but globally. And after you onboard the clients, how to deal with them so that you can maximize your opportunities with them. Alongside the modules, you also get live classes each and every week. Me and my team take these classes based on the things that we are learning. Last week itself, I took a class on 10 ways of pitching, and if you want to stay updated with new strategies each and every week, this is the program that you should be in. There are so many specialized mentors who also take sessions on various topics like performance marketing, social media, writing, etc., to make sure that you actually make money doing what you love and get updated guidance each and every week. Apart from that, we have a 24/7 Facebook group which you can post your queries in, and not only us but your peers who are other Freelance 101 members making money as freelancers also get to network with you, and they would help you out with your solutions. A lot of hiring happens within our Facebook group itself, so it is a very nice community for you to be a part of, with serious freelancers who are actually invested in their growth and not only make money but actually find a community that understands what you do to help you scale. Of course, the moment you enroll, you get access to all the hundreds of workbooks, cheat sheets and guides that I have created ever in my career. I don't have any upsells, so every piece of materials that I have made, word to word templates, guides, pitches, everything you can access immediately, as well as all the masterclasses I have ever hosted. I have hosted at least 10 masterclasses in the last 1 year itself, and they are across so many topics like content, LinkedIn, email, etc. So you can upskill at one place with a lot of guided information that you can easily implement into your business to immediately make more money. This is the one-stop solution for anyone who's ambitious and wants to make more money. because I not only take care of getting clients but also making sure your skills are constantly improving. The cherry on the top is that we have some amazing student stories each and every month. One of our students recently worked with Ali Abdal himself, and we have so many student stories each and every month of students hitting their first lakh or more. So all these students usually network with you in a specific session on Sunday, so that students themselves can also create a community of high earners, because me alone cannot pull up an entire community, but I know I have some amazing students who can. This is the best place for you to be if you want to make more money in 2024. This is my child. This is the program that I've worked on for the last few years. I have not prioritized anything but this academy, because I know that India needs freelancers, and India needs to learn how to get paid for their skills directly without any middlemen. And this is why this is such a big mission of mine. So if you want to be a part of it, make sure that you join Freelance 101 Academy today. The link to join will be in the description, and I hope that I will see you inside the next Friday class. And yeah, happy learning. Join the academy today, risk free, and if you do not get the results that you want in the next 90 days, let me know, then I'll process you a full refund. But I know that if you are a part of the community and you're actually putting efforts towards getting clients, there's no way you won't make money with the kind of people we have in the community, with the kind of guidance we have in the community, with the kind of lessons we have in the community. It is absolutely impossible that when you implement it, you do not get results. So if you want to be a high income freelancer in 2024, enroll now.